Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enable Vanguard for Valorant. First, understand that Vanguard is Riot Games' proprietary anti-cheat software, essential for playing Valorant. It runs in the background and must be active for the game to launch. Before troubleshooting, always ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements. This foundational check can prevent many common issues, ensuring a smoother experience from the start. To verify Vanguard's status, look for its icon in your system tray, usually near the clock. A green checkmark on the shield icon means Vanguard is active and functioning as expected. If the icon is missing or displays a red X, it indicates Vanguard is not running or has encountered an error. This visual cue is your first step in diagnosing any issues preventing you from playing Valorant. Often, a simple computer restart can resolve many Vanguard-related problems, allowing the service to initialize correctly. If that doesn't work, you can manually restart the Vanguard service. Open Task Manager, navigate to the Services tab, find VGC, right-click, and select Restart. Also, check for any conflicting software, like other anti-cheat programs, that might interfere with Vanguard's operation. If previous steps don't work, a complete reinstallation might be necessary. First, uninstall both Valorant and Riot Vanguard from your computer's control panel. Then, reinstall Valorant. This process automatically reinstalls Vanguard alongside it, ensuring all components are fresh and correctly configured. If problems still persist after reinstallation, it's best to contact Riot Games support for personalized assistance with your specific technical issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.